Alright, I got the DioJoy Dust to Dawn 2-pack photo light sensors. Seems to be a nice solid plastic. It's got a little arrow on there, a UL code. And for what these are running for, this is definitely worth me taking a shot and checking these out, because I'm going to put one on my front porch and my back porch. But before I do that, I think I'm going to wire it up first, and we'll see how it works tonight before I go ahead and drill the hole out on here. So speaking of the hole, it looks like it is about 3/4 of an inch in diameter, a little over 3/4 of an inch. Pretty simple on the wiring. We got white, red, and black. The whites are going to go together, and the red and black are going to go into the power side of the light and into the power. I'll show you that. We'll wire it up. You can see the photo sensor on top here. You can adjust this. This is adjustable, and you can tighten this down or loosen it up. I've got it kind of sort of loose here, so it'll just move around with me without snapping off the pieces. This is a metal piece right here, which is good. So that's metal, and it has a nice weatherproof rubber grommet on here, which we're going to use. Let's get it wired up. Make sure you consult an electrician if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself. 3 wires, red, white, and black. The whites all go together. In my case, the black on the photo sensor goes into the black on the line coming from the house, and the red on the photo sensor goes into the black going into the light. And here, I've just got it wired in right here because I just want to see if it works first before I go ahead and mount it. And if it does, I will drill a hole right here and mount this guy in right here and just rewire it. It was so simple to do. So let's turn the light on, see what happens. Okay. I've just initially turned the light on. There it is. It recognized that it was light out and it shut itself off. So pretty good. Let's see if it works tonight. Just fires up on its own. I've got the power on and we'll check it out. Hard to tell in the film, but it's getting dusky out. I just want to prove that this works before, so that you can actually see it working. So I'm going to cover up the photo sensor. There we go. There it is. Works.